Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, or is it Crazy Bill's Garage and other stuff? We'll go with that for now. Here I have for you, there is the, did it get dirty? I don't know. There is the number of this hot air, well, let's see, hot air desoldering station. Did I just spit on here? Oh my word. Terrible. Hot air desoldering station. I'm going to open it up here. I haven't opened it up yet. We're going to take a look at it. Okay. This is a hot air welding table manual. I should take a look at that, and I might. I'll take that out, whatever this might be. We'll take out the meat of this. Oh, that is light as a feather. Just light as a feather. There's nothing to this. Wow. Okay, so far so good. Tape. Oh, by the way, this is made in China. You might have noticed. It says made in China. So 700 watt max. Ooh, 110 output volts. So there we are. Air, the heat settings go up and down. It's made by Feita tools. It's an 858D. So I got this because I wanted to do some repairs on some electronical stuff I have, which I'll bring to you, of course. Power cord, heater, stand of some sort, and other tips. And it did come with an extra heating element. That's actually nice. So nice on that to come with that. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is the, oh yeah. So this is your wand. And I guess the heating element is inside here. We've got these tips that go on the end of the wand. I'd love to tell you how much this costs, but I can't remember. So at first, it seems I got some bolts to put in for, this would be the holder. So I'm going to do that. There we go, we got that all in. Let's just see if we can plug in some of the rest of this other stuff. And maybe get it cranked up here a bit. See if it actually works. Wow, that is a thin 3-prong wire. Hopefully that will hold the power of this machine. Because, you know, this is probably a super powerful machine. Okay, we got her in all the way. Let's break it right away. Or let's not. And let's see, this supposedly probably will go in a certain way. Yeah, a divot to the top. There we go. Okay, I guess she's in. I'm gonna plug it in. So let us turn this on. Is that right? I don't know. But let us turn it on. Let's turn this all the way down to air. This knob is air. This is temperature setting. Okay, it does come alive. So that's good. So, is this temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius? I don't really know. Let's go to 125. Nothing's working. Nothing's blowing. Is there a trigger on here? I don't see a trigger. I read the instructions a bit. I don't know. Hey, I guess we'll just have to wait and see, huh? Oh, there. Oh. It's blowing. Ooh. And it shut off. Huh. Yeah. Is that how that works? And now it's going to shut off. I don't know. Is there a loose wire inside here? That's not very hot coming out of there. Oh, that's getting warm now. Oh crap! Okay, that's warm. I got a feeling. Oof. I'm not sure about this. Now it's gonna shut off. Hey, what's going on here? Let me figure this out. Now, if I had read farther into the instructions in here, I would have learned that in here that's jiggling up and down is a trigger. There we go. She'll come on. As long as I'm holding it this way, she'll stay on. But as soon as I turn it back this way, she'll shut off. So, hey, that's a good safety measure, wouldn't you say? There we go. You didn't shut off yet. And there we go. But here we go. I'll do this, and she'll turn back on. So I got her set at 150. Ooh, it's pretty warm. I'm going to see here if I can melt whatever starts to melt this solder down here. I don't know. I never looked up to see what the melting point of solder was. But, yeah. I obviously don't have it yet. Even 150 isn't. That doesn't feel very warm. You know, I'm gonna crank this thing up. So I'm gonna turn her down, turn her off, and we're gonna crank her up. Maybe I should check to see what the melting point of solder is. So it turns out the melting point of solder is anywhere from 360 to 500 degrees Celsius. Oh no, that's Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, or 180 to 200 and something for Celsius, but this machine is set on Fahrenheit, so I'm going to leave it at that. And I got her set now for 400, and we're going to see if we can. Yes, the bottom dot here signifies we're set on Fahrenheit. At least that's what the instructions say. Holy crap, that's hot. Okay, I just burnt my finger. Alrighty. Oof. There we go. Oh, it's definitely working. There we go. Yeah, I think we got a hot enough temperature there now. Oh, that was hot. So I'm going to give it a try. This is going to be my tester for doing this kind of stuff. I have this old Asus here, came out of a computer, and yeah, it's, what's that? Let's see, AMD A10-8700. It was in 2010. It's old. It's old. But here I am. I'm going to try to get this HDMI port to fall out. So I'm going to give that a try with my newfangled toy here. And I know I should probably put some solder on it, but I'm not gonna. And just to make sure I'm not going to, I'm misplaced my tweezers somewhere. But not that I'll need my tweezers. So I set my machine to 380 Fahrenheit. 400 seemed hot and it seemed to work really fast at 400. So I set her to 380. And we're going to try to get this HDMI port off here without damaging it. And who knows, maybe it'll work. Maybe, you know, it's going to have to take some practice, I'm sure. But here we go. Oh, she's hot. I think I'm supposed to. But is she hot enough? That's the question. Okay, let's see. Okay, found my tweezers. Might have to turn the heat up of this a bit. She's not melting that solder on here, I notice, yet. Ooh, yeah, she's hot. I like her too. Oh, she's not melting it just yet. Yeah, I should hold it further away. Maybe I will crank her back up to 400 here. There we go, 400. Well, I can feel heat now. Yeah, I want to work on some controllers and stuff. And I was hoping. Just doesn't feel like it's getting hot enough here. Of course, it is a thick board, right? Well, I don't know. Might be a little thick. I know it will take time. Take your time. Don't peel them up. Don't peel the pads off. I have to get this whole area pretty warm. Yet, she does not feel like she's liquidy yet. How long does this usually take? I don't know. Never done it before. Will it take more heat because it's going through the board? Maybe. I think it's getting liquid. Oh, it is. Getting liquid. It's taking time. Well, it's just a matter of time, right? I'm trying to get you in here closer. There we go. I'm gonna go up some more heat. 420. Like I said, first time doing this, so of course, yeah, practice. pretty liquidy on the front here, but I don't know if it goes all the way through. I've watched videos on this. Seem to work, well, half decently. Liquid, liquid, liquid. Pretty liquid. And there we go. Look at that. I got it off. I'm a pro now. I would not say that. Let's take a look at her. Yeah, there we go. I got her off. Great. Now, I am not going to try to put it back on right now. This thing's pretty hot. So, nice. She's cooling off right now. Well, that's something. Let's take a look at the other side. It actually worked. There we go. Right here. Oh, she's a little warm around there, but everything feels okay. You know, more practice sessions to come with this, so I get to know it better. But there we go. This machine works. The Feita Tools 858D. I think it worked just great. Kind of like it. Maybe I shouldn't have this thing aimed at a piece of cardboard back here. Yeah, smart. But there we go. It's all done. I got that practice one done. And no, I am not ready yet to tackle my game controllers to put new thumbsticks in just yet. I am definitely gonna do some more practice on this afternoon. And there you go. She shuts down. It cooled off, so it shut down. So this machine here, I like it. It seemed to work pretty good. And I'm just gonna click her off. And yeah, see, anybody can do this. Anybody, really. I am just kind of like you guys. I'm just anybody. I have no special skills at this, at least at this at all. So I am sure many of you will be better at it than me. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I kind of enjoyed doing this one. This one was kind of fun. It's fun to find, get a new thing to keep you busy and fixing stuff. So kind of like this new tool I got here. Thanks for watching.